Hello and welcome to day 5 of this Christmas series I'm doing. Yes, I'm in my dressing gown. It is currently the 2nd of December, so this is like the latest video I've filmed, apart from the vlogs, because everything else was really pre-recorded. However, my nan would have told me off if I did this video previously. Now it's December, I'm allowed to do it. So, I'm going to show you what my room looks like in the light, and then I'm going to show you what my room looks like in the dark. So first we're starting off, we're going to ignore the fact that I have 1,000,001 tablets everywhere. I do have to take them, and I'm always sick, hence this stuff, and I'm allergic to dairy, and that's my pill. We have Disney little pegs and Beauty and the Beast baubles. These and the string was from Primark. I think I got it for like 50p last year for like when it was off. These are from George Home. I will show you what they look like in the dark. So we've got a Belle, a Cogsworth, a Mrs. Potts, and then these are like Mickeys and Minnies basically. There's my little sister. A Lumiere, which I love. Beauty and the Beast, obviously. Chip, who is my favourite, and then I have this massive bauble that says "Be Our Guest." Normally these have Christmas cards in it, but I don't expect to get as many Christmas cards this year. Hello. So I've put baubles on them, and if anything, I just put the Christmas cards up here. And up the top where my books sit, I have this beautiful gold and black garland all along there. I think that's from George Home about 2 years ago. And the only other real Christmassy thing apart from the candles is my little Christmas tree. So this is from, I believe it is from, starts with a P and now I can't remember what it's called. What's it called? I wish I knew what it was called. But on it I have some Mickey and Minnie baubles. I have these tiny little like glittery baubles, and then if you spin it round there's some more Mickey, and this is my favourite one. And then you've got some little mini baubles there. I don't have a star for it. I can't find the star that this small. And then behind you've got my little sub to Alex Osman. Remember, subscribe because we're trying to get to 500 subs so that I can go to Disney. And then on top you have Minnie. I've also decorated my bed slightly Christmassy. And we've got the red and white check. I have not had this on my bed for years, and I absolutely love it. I'm now going to show you what my room looks like in the dark Christmassy. So this is what it looks like, and how pretty like the stars along with the baubles, like they're so stunning. And then you have the candles, and then you have the tree, and the tree glows because you've got the light behind it. Yeah, so I'm thinking about getting some more Christmas decorations. Leave some comments down below what I should get, because I've only got a really small room. So this little tree is gorgeous. I still can't remember where it's from. Oh, I'm going to light it up again because it was too dark, but I love it when it's dark. The baubles are from ASOS. I got them for like £12.50. If you know me at all, Beauty and the Beast is my favourite film, and finding baubles that are Beauty and the Beast is beautiful. Pre-warning, whoever gets Christmas with me when I'm alone, my tree is going to be covered in Disney ornaments. It smells so good in here. I forgot to say, these candles, so I have a Yankee Candle Blue Twilight Storm candle. This is really fresh, but it's so soothing. And then over here I have a Little Baby Leaves, because we don't have Bath and Body Works over here, and I'm scared to lose them all and not have any candles left. This video has been a short one, but there's lots to come. There's loads of big videos coming, and yeah. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see coming, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.